So my battery disconnect switch on the RV is not engaging fully. It's not turning the batteries on, and it sometimes gets stuck when it's turning them off as well. So you can see here, normally when I hit this button, the light illuminates and stays active, indicating that the batteries are connected. And then vice versa, when the batteries are on, I can hit the button and it won't turn them off. So I'm thinking it might be the relay, a bad relay switch. So I purchased this one here and just got it on Amazon. I'm gonna swap that out and see if that is the problem. The old one looks pretty rusted out and you know, probably has just worn out over time. So let's get started on that. All right, so it looks like there's two 13mm nuts on either side. I'll just loosen those up. And they look pretty rusted out. I mean, it sounded like it was working. I don't know. It looks all right. I mean, it doesn't look bad. But again, it could be just inside. It's not working correctly. It's a comparison of the two. All right, let's see if it goes on. All right, guess that was it. So it looks like that's all it was just a bad relay switch. So hopefully you got some value out of this video and it was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, leave those in the comment section below. I put a link in the description with the actual relay switch that I used. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.